My name is Kairin Hanania. I am in year 5 Pinta. I am going to read story. The title of the story is Flood. Kota Baru, 12 January. Floods caused by the monsoon rain have forced over 40,000 people to evacuate their homes. New reported at least 10 people had died while a mother and a daughter are missing. More than 20,000 people have been placed in evacuation center in Kelantan. The rain also affects Terengganu, Pahang and Johor. Almost every year, these states are affected and they usually last from late November to February. Volunteers are helping people to move their belongings and food supply on small boat. One of the volunteers informed these victims have been placed in Sekolah Kebangsaan Seri Mentari and Sungai Jenuh Mosque for safety and refuge. All flood victims have been advised to stay at this center until the situation is safe. That's all. Thank you. Bye.